Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and the nail polish haul continues. I am a member of several different Facebook groups and somebody posted a D-stash, so I have some mystery bag polishes of indie brands here. So yeah, stay tuned to see what's in here. Okay, here it is. 15 indie polishes, miscellaneous, mystery. I got these 15 polishes for $35 including shipping. And I opened the bag to make sure that none of them were broken, because as you saw, they came in a padded envelope and they are all individually wrapped and they seem to be perfectly fine. I've peeked at some of the names, but I haven't unwrapped them. I don't know what the brands are. Through here I can see some of the brands are ILNP. I think this is a cupcake polish. But yeah, I'm excited. I haven't actually seen anything except what I can see through the bubble wrap. Like this looks blue or green. This one looks possibly blue. This one looks pink or orange, or I don't know from here. But let's get into them. I'm so excited. This is my first haul with indie polish D-stash. So most everything else I've got has been mainstream, but we're going to start right back here in the back. And this one is a cupcake polish. Ooh, and it is a hollow. Also, let me know what you think of this setup. Look at that. Hopefully this lighting is okay. Let me see if I can. It is a blue hollow. Oh, that is so pretty. It is called Sweater Weather. Let me make sure it's got a nice shake. Oh, that is so gorgeous. I was just thinking the other day that I needed a hollow, and this is one of those polishes. Oh, that's so pretty. And it's a dark blue. Gorgeous. Love it. Cupcake polish is Sweater Weather. Alright, next up. Okay. This is a square. I think this is an ILNP. Oh, it's another. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. Oh, can you see that flash? Oh, this one is Dusk to Dawn. So it is a light gray blue with this beautiful gold flash. Oh, oh, so pretty. Oh, I'm happy. I'm in heaven. Oh my goodness. Okay, 2 down. So happy, so happy. All right, next one looks like it's going to be a green polish. And this one is, ooh, from Glam Polish. Okay. Oh, this one is called the Princess and the Pea. It's a beautiful soft green, and that, look at that red flash. And then I see on the edges there's some gold, and that looks like there's some larger particles reflecting in there. Don't know how well you can see all of the things I'm describing. Oh, so pretty. So like some glitters or possibly flakes. That is Glam Polishes, the Princess and the Pea. Oh, that's so pretty. I am very happy with my purchase so far. I think right there, I mean, that's just enough. Okay, this is another ILNP. You can tell by the bottom of the bottle. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is called Misery, and it is like a dark red, almost, ooh, might be copper. I can't quite tell if it's a dark red or copper. It looks like it has hollow flakes or shimmer. I don't know. Hollow glitters. Oh, that is so pretty. I don't know how to describe that color though. I have to look it up online, but that is ILNP's Misery. Gorgeous. I'm so happy. All right, this one, I don't know which one this is. There were a whole couple brands I was hoping to get, but I don't think I got any from those brands, but just by bottle shapes. There's no small square bottles. Okay, what is this one? Oh, I've never heard of this one. And it's Floss Like a Boss. It's a thermal, and it's from Polish Pickup May 21. That is gorgeous. So it's looking very blue on camera, but it's more of a green. Let me see if I can adjust. Okay, I don't see any settings to change the color, but this is a more of a teal aqua color, and it has some yellow and pink large glitter, hex glitters, and then some smaller other glitters. It's definitely more greener than it's showing up on camera, but this is really pretty. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is Polish Molish. There you go. And this is Floss Like a Boss, and it is a thermal. So I will look to see what that turns into. That's exciting. Okay, moving on. We have another cupcake polish, it looks like, and it's in a bag, so give me a second to slide it out. It looks purple. That's lovely. Okay, here we go. It is a purple hollow, linear hollow. Oh, that is so pretty. And this one is called Spooky Season. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm so happy. Okay. All right, next one is, ooh, flaky. This is from Nailed It, and this one is called Osmosis. This is a Facebook group custom, and it is also a thermal, and it is a dark, looks like a dark blurple base with green shimmer and flakes in, like metallic flakes in maybe a green and blue. Oh, so pretty. And there's a bit of purple and pink perhaps in there. Oh, that's so pretty. And that, I said it was a thermal, so can't wait to see what that transitions to, and that is Osmosis from Nailed It. Okay, this one is green, and I don't know, this one doesn't have a label on the bottom. Hopefully it's on the top. It is not. Okay, this one has no label, so if you know what it is, let me know. Otherwise, I'll try and look it up. This one is also from Nailed It, and it is missing its bottom label. It is sort of a bright green with gold and orange shimmer, and there are flakies in there in the same gold and orange colors. That's pretty. I wish I knew the name of it, but I'll look it up, and if you know, please let me know in the description, or sorry, in the comments section. That is lovely from Nailed It. Okay, next, this looks like another cupcake polish. It is, and this one is called Dingohopper, and this is from Polish Pickup of August 22. And this is a like rainbow of glitters. I see pink and blue and green, and it looks like it's in a soft green base color, like a soft blue green with loads of different colors of pink. I see orange, pink, green, just all kinds of different flakes or shimmers in there. Glitters, that's what I'm looking for. Let's put cupcake polish, and that is Dingohopper. Okay. And then this row, this is a round bottle. The first one we've got so far that's round, and it is from Lindy Designs. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's got sort of a metallic blue shimmer, and then there is a reddish copper flake running through, and I think there's also a linear hollow component to it. That's Lindy Designs, and this one is called To Be Really Bad. It is a reflective magnetic. Oh, okay. I have a magnet now. Let me test it. See what that magnetic component looks like. Ooh. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it's that blue shimmer. I don't know if you can see that. But that's so pretty. Okay. That is really exciting. Oh, that is, I love the base color of it, that shimmery metallic blue, and then, oh, and I said, what does it say? Reflective. Yep, okay, that's Lindy Designs to be really bad. Gorgeous. Okay, 5 more polishes. All right, I'm so excited. They're so pretty. I'm seeing also some purple on some angles of this one, and it's definitely got a linear hollow aspect to it. Oh my gosh, so much going on in these things. I love these. Okay. This is a Glam Polish in a bag. Let me slide it out. The tape is sticking to everything. And now it's stuck to me. Alright, this is Glam Polish, and it is Just Chillin'. So it is a soft green, and there's a lot of hollow, scattered hollow in there, and then a gold shimmer, it looks like. Oh, so pretty. So that's Just Chillin' by Glam Polish. Lots of blue, greens, purple, all the cool colors, except for that one ILMP. This one, oh, I don't know what brand this is. What is this? Oh, it looks like this is from Jen & Berries. Featuring Jen & Berries and Red Eyed Lacquer. Okay. The label on this one is so hard to read. I think this is a Red Eyed Lacquer. It's a white label on a cream-based polish, but I believe that says Red Eyed Lacquer. And it's Schmitty Valentine's I Think You're My Best Friend, featuring Jen & Berries and Red Eyed Lacquer. So shitty, like Schitt's Creek, Shitty Valentine's. I think, so this polish is I Think You're My Best Friend. It's the name of this polish, anyway. It is a cream base, maybe a pale pink, with a really strong green color, and I see blue on the edges and some scattered hollows. And I believe it's from Red Eyed Lacquer. So that is that one. That is really pretty. Really hard to figure out what it's called, but it's really pretty. This is something red, orange. Ooh. This is also from Cupcake Polish, and it is called Flower Power. Oof. This is very pretty. Sort of a reddy orange shimmer, and it looks like a pink, berry leaning pink base, and just so much sparkles going on. Oh. And it looks like there's a little shift to green gold on the edges. Okay. So that's 2 warm colored polishes and a bunch of cool colors. We got 2 more. This is a little one. Oh, what is this? Okay, this is a little one, and this is from, I think this is a Jen & Berries. You guys can tell me if you know. Otherwise, this is called This Is Luxury, and this is, okay, this is also from the Shitty's Valentine's Advent with Red Eyed Lacquer. Okay, so this one, okay, so this is both from the Shitty's Valentine's, February 2021. Although this one says this one says 2022. I don't know. Maybe they did it more than once. Okay, this one's definitely Jen & Berries. And this is, I'm so confused. I don't know. I'll have to look these up. But this is called This Is Luxury, and it is a little glitter in a mix in a translucent base. We've got some big satin silver hex glitters. There's black glitters. There's small multi-chrome. There's all kinds of stuff going on in there. Yeah, that is quite a little topper, and this is a little bottle. This one is only, it says it's 12 ml. It just seems much smaller than all the others. Alright, finally, last one. Whew! So excited! Now I can put these all into my nail polish app and put them on my nail polish racks. This is from CBC Lacquer. Or BCB. It's dyslexic sometimes. You can read it right there. BCB. And this one is called Diamond. It's from the Gemstone collection for April. And it looks like it is also another topper. Possibly could build it up to be opaque. It is definitely full of glitter. It is silver and there's some hollow. It looks like there's silver in many different colors. Oh, it's so pretty. So sparkly. So gorgeous. And that is that one. And in case you're wondering what I have on my nails, I have a really old polish. The dark blue is called Starry Night. Don't know the maker. It is that old. And then on my ring finger, I have Percy from Dragonsworn. And the Starry Night is in my project polish. So, 15 nail polishes. If you have any of these and you have any feedback on how good or bad they are, hopefully they're all good. And if you happen to know what this nail that is in this green and gold combo, let me know, because that one doesn't have a label on it. But yeah, well, leave this, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and let me know any feedback you have. And until my next video, take care of yourself, stay true to you, and I'll see you later. Bye!